Hello, dear friends. Today we are going to know about Year 1 AC Pan India Online Essay Writing Contest 2020. This contest is being organized by UNESCO New Delhi office and Takhti. There are two categories of the contest: the children and the youths. The participants between the age of 11 to 14 years will participate in children category, and the participants between the age of 15 to 24 years will participate in youth category. You can see few topics for children: learning at home during lockdown, my parents and my teachers, stronger together, and a new word for us, solidarity. Science and health, what should we change to be more resilient? Culture and crafts, how to be creative when staying at home. Not everything we find online is true. These are five topics for the students who are participating in children category. They can choose one of these topics to write essays. And these are the five topics for the youth category participants. The current crisis is showing the best and the worst of humanity. Will a new form of solidarity emerge at the end of the tunnel? Or do you think, on the contrary, that previous trends of the last few years, for example, increasing nationalisms, will be enhanced? Second topic, do you think that COVID-19 pandemic will force us to redefine the quest for a better use of our natural resources? Will there be a before and an after for environmental issues? If so, how? Third topic, the lockdown affected men and women equally. At home, it also forced them, for instance, to share household chores. Do you believe this crisis will have long lasting consequences on gender roles and stereotypes in the country? Fourth topic of the essay writing, what will be the role of young people in addressing the crisis caused by the pandemic and related issues such as new balances in power, raising inequalities, and reduced employment opportunities? And last topic for the essay writing, the 21st century, with all its science and technology, allows us to go to Mars and develop artificial intelligence. Yet one virus brings us to a complete standstill in a few weeks. Do you think there should be changes in priorities for science and research in future? So dear students, these are five topics for the youth category participants. They can choose one of these topics to write the essay. Remaining details you can see, all the essays must be written in English, and age wise category we have discussed earlier. Then one more point I would like to discuss here, the children category student should write maximum 600 words in their essay. You can see a word count of 540 to 600 words would be ideal. And similarly, the youth category participants can use 700 words, and between 630 to 700 words would be ideal. Then these are few points regarding submission guidelines. You can see here, participants must complete and submit the required essay submission form. Actually, all the participants have to download one essay submission form and then they have to write the essay or paste the essay in the given column, and then they have to send the same to the email. You can see year1ac2020@gmail.com, and this is completely free. We will see how can we download the submission form and what are the entries in the submission form in next slide. You can see these are the some recognitions and outcomes. The top 5 essays per category will be announced every day for a week. The 100 winners of the essay contest will be announced on the website and Facebook pages of Takhti and UNESCO New Delhi later on this year. The writers of the 100 winning essays will receive certificates of recognition from Takhti and UNESCO New Delhi. Those selected as top 5 from each category for weekly publication will receive a special recognition. The 100 essay will finally be published in form of a book entitled Year 1 AC After Coronavirus Essays by 100 Young Indians. The book will credit the contributor of each essay as well as the judges involved with the process of assessment and evaluation. The book of essays will be launched at the ceremony hosted by UNESCO New Delhi and will subsequently be promoted extensively by Takhti and UNESCO in order to maximize its visibility and outreach. So, dear students, it is a very good platform for you people to expose your talent. And this is the way we can download the submission form. You have to type, you can see in the arrow 1 takhti.in slash essay dash contest.php. You have to type this address in Google, and in the end of the page you can see download essay submission. This kind of the one icon will be there in the end of the page. You can see it has been indicated by red arrow number 2. So as soon as we will download, we will see this kind of the form. This is the essay submission form. These are the entries: name, age, date of birth, gender of the participant, mobile number, email ID, name of school or university, address or school or university, then category, selected topic for essay, word count, and finally you have to paste your essay here, text of the essay, and simply you have to put one your passport size photo also, and digitally after saving this you have to send entire this file as an attachment to year1ac2020@gmail.com. These are the details, and if you still have any problem or any query, you can write to info@takhti.in. This is the email ID where you can contact in case of any difficulty. So best of luck to all of you. Thank you. Thank you very much.